Hi, friends, it's Miss Melissa, and this week we're learning all about astronomy. Astronomy talks about the planets and outer space and the moon, and today we're going to read a book called Kitten's First Full Moon. It was Kitten's first full moon. There's the moon way high up in the sky. When she saw the moon, she thought, there's a little bowl of milk in the sky. And she wanted that milk. Oh no, Kitten thinks the moon is a bowl of milk. So Kitten closed her eyes and stretched her neck and opened her mouth and licked. But Kitten only got a bug on her tongue. Yuck! Poor Kitten. Still, Kitten thought there was a little bowl of milk just waiting for her. Uh-oh, Kitten still thinks the moon is a bowl of milk. So she pulled herself together and wiggled her bottom and sprang from the top step of the porch. But Kitten only tumbled. Oh no, she fell down. She bumped her nose and banged her ear. Ouch! Oh, poor Kitten. She pinched her tail. Poor Kitten. Oh no. But Kitten still thought there was a little bowl of milk just waiting for her. So she chased it down the sidewalk, through the garden, past the field, and by the pond. But Kitten never seemed to get closer to the milk. Poor Kitten. Still there was a bowl of milk just waiting. Silly Kitten, that's not a bowl of milk. That's the moon high in the sky. Uh-oh, it looks like Kitten's going to try to be very sneaky. So Kitten ran to the tallest tree. She climbed and climbed and climbed to the very top. But Kitten still could not reach the bowl of milk. Now she was scared. Oh, poor Kitten. She's high up in the tree and is so very scared. What could she do? Then, in the pond, Kitten saw another bowl of milk, and it was bigger. What a night! Uh-oh, friends. Is that a bigger bowl of milk? No, that's just the moon shining down in the water. It's like a mirror. Oh, silly Kitten is going to try to get that big bowl of milk, I think. Kitten raced down the tree, down, 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 and raced through the grass. She raced to the edge of the pond. She leaped with all her might. Uh-oh, there's Kitten jumping. Splash! Poor Kitten. She was all wet and sad. Oh, and tired and so hungry. Oh, poor Kitten. So Kitten went back home. Oh, Kitten was not able to find some milk. When she got home, there was a great big bowl of milk on the porch. How do you think Kitten feels about that big bowl of milk? She probably feels so happy. You're right. The milk was just waiting for her. Kitten is drinking all the milk. She's so thirsty. Lucky Kitten. Aw, Kitten is so sleepy she fell asleep. And look, she drank all the milk, so her bowl is empty. The end. Good night, Kitten. Thanks for listening to my story, friends. I hope you enjoyed it. We'll see you next time. Bye-bye.